We're just about to go on our road trip. We are in the CX-9 and it's been pretty awesome so far. You excited, babe?
I'm so excited.
She is so excited.
Up at dawn, we're wide awake. Sun comes in, the day won't wait. Pack your bags, get out the door. Let's do the things we've never done before. Love on the road, love on the run. With you by my side, let's chase the sun. Love on the road, love on the run. With you by my side, let's chase the sun.
All right, we made it to Colorado Springs and we are about to check in into our Airbnb called the Loft House. So super pumped about that. Oh, there it is. That is cool.
So cool.
This is an amazing Airbnb. Look at this place. Yeah, this'll do. This'll do just fine. All right, we're gonna get ready to go. We're gonna go on a little cave tour, so exciting.
Daddy, mountains over there.
Look at this. It's so cool. Walk. It's like the Cave of Wonders. Wow, that was really cool. God's Road. This is day 4 and we are exploring the Garden of the Gods. Your job is to go through that narrow crevice with the camera on and get some really cool footage, okay? You got it? All right, high five. Nice, all right. You okay, Isaac?
I'm okay.
You did it! That's amazing!
Love on the road, love on the run. With you by my side, let's chase the sun. Love on the road, love on the run. With you by my side, let's chase the sun. Love on the road.
So day 5, we said goodbye to the Loft House and we're here in Denver, but before we check into our hotel, we decided to take a little detour and go to Red Rock Amphitheater. And look at this, it's so big! Oh, we made it! We made it to the Great Sand Dunes National Park. Check this out, this is so cool. Look baby, where's the sand? Where's the sand? No, that's the trees, the sand is behind you, over there. Oh, this is awesome. And one of the coolest things about road trips is not just seeing the environment and the beautiful scenery, but actually the memories that you make inside the car and out. And we did that. So big thanks to Mazda for lending us the CX-9 to drive in. Wow, what an amazing journey.
With you by my side.